Hello, on today's video, I want to talk to you about how you can't let perfection impede your progress when it comes to your law firm marketing. Now, I'm Richard Martindale, and I'm the CEO of Martindale Digital, and I do these live streams every day at 5 o'clock. And this topic in particular comes up today because of an experience I had on Monday. Now I'm going to drop a link here in this video, so it'll be somewhere up above me when it's published to YouTube. So if you go to our YouTube channel and watch my live stream from Monday, you'll see in the very first probably 30 seconds, I start talking about a question that has come up that I've gotten from a number of attorneys and law firms about how much to spend on their legal marketing. But when I'm right at the beginning of that live stream, I just said, one of the questions I get, instead of saying is, I said one of the questions that I often get are. And you can tell, if you watch the video, I kind of stop, I kind of close my eyes, and I realize I made the mistake. But these live stream broadcasts, they are what they say they are. They are live. I'm not in a professional studio with cameras all around me, and I want you to understand that you don't need perfection when it comes to getting your law firm marketing started. You can use just tools just like what I am doing today, and I am purposely using a camera right off of my display for my Apple display. I do have a little bit more of a what I'll call a professional microphone because I want the audio, for these videos and live streams to be good. But you can, use any kind of microphone and display camera right from your computer and do exactly what I am doing with regard to my company in promoting and creating videos and content around law firm marketing. But if you're, let's say, a criminal attorney or divorce attorney or bankruptcy attorney, think about it from the standpoint, if you're a bankruptcy attorney today with everything that's going on, and this is, May 14th, 2020. So this is live. I don't have a paper to hold up to show you that what today's date is. But if it's May 14th, 2020, and you're a bankruptcy attorney, you can go online today and talk about everything that's going on with COVID-19 and people out of work and, credit repair and bankruptcy issues. You would have a plethora of topics to talk about with regard to your practice. And from the attorneys that I've talked to over the past few weeks, many of you probably have a lot of topics that you can be talking about and information that you can get out to your target market and your potential ideal clients. And they want to hear from you. They want to understand what's going on. When I deal with a lot of entrepreneurs and business owners and things like that in my, regular life, people who I meet at church or in social settings, and they often have questions that they ask me with regard to legal issues, because I think it's one of those things that so many people just don't really understand. And we as attorneys, take for granted. I've been an attorney for almost 25 years. My specialty is insurance coverage related to policyholders. And it's very, very niche, representing large corporations and insurance coverage matters. So oftentimes I'll get questions about, hey, if I'm forming a company, what should I do? Or if I'm, if I get arrested, what should I do? And, I used to be a prosecutor. I have dealt a lot with corporate issues. So there's oftentimes I have some topics that I can talk about, but I'm not intimately knowledgeable about every single topic in the law. But if you're an attorney and you're out there, you probably get a lot of questions just like I do. So there are things that you can talk about specific to your ideal clients, and you can get online and do this easily. And, don't let perfection stop you from taking action. It is a problem that I have. I can admit, probably getting good grades in school and, going to a top law school and, top universities and things like that almost kind of hinder me from potentially taking risks because I've had success in my life and I don't want to make mistakes. I don't want to look like I don't know what I'm doing. But oftentimes you have to do that. You just have to put yourself out there when it comes to law firm marketing. And if you want to market your firm, you want to, put information out there to your target audience, it's very easy for you to be able to do that. And I've given you plenty of resources through this live stream. But even below this video, if you're on YouTube and you're watching this video on my channel, or if you're not, go to my YouTube channel for Martindale Digital on YouTube. And there are resources below this video where you can get StreamYard, which is the exact platform that I'm using for live streaming this video. You can get a code there that gives you a discount and the ability to sign up for StreamYard. But there are other resources that I give you below the video. And I just want to challenge you to take action. Challenge you today or tomorrow. You can, if you have a Facebook page for your law firm, you can go on there and do a live update. You can click the go live button, put a little information in, and it'll start recording a video right there. You can do it from your iPhone if you have an iPhone, or your iPad if you have an iPad, or just like I'm doing today, just from a desktop display camera. But I want to challenge you to do something like that. Download StreamYard. And if you want branding like I've got here on my live stream videos, you can do that with StreamYard. I'll post another link up above here in my YouTube video that'll show you how you can do a live stream if that's interesting to you. And you can go to that video, watch a little bit more about live streaming. But put information out there. A lot of times as attorneys, we want to write articles and, write white papers and create these pamphlets and, make them perfect. And I know exactly that world. I've come up in that world. I used to be a partner at a Washington, D.C. law firm, and it was all about making things perfect and probably spending countless more hours on articles and brochures and things like that than we should have done. But I want you to understand it doesn't have to be perfect before you do something with regard to your law firm marketing. So I'm going to urge you to take that challenge, go on your Facebook page, post something out to your audience, and just see what kind of reaction you get. See if you get people who comment, who like it or don't like it. It's okay. You're not going to make a mistake. You're just going to get out there and do something. And that's all I'm asking you to do, is take action and don't let perfection impede your progress. I kind of thought about if I was going to do a video like this, should I come on? It's during the COVID-19 pandemic right now. Should I come on with 3 days unshaven, my hair all unkempt, and really just looking unprofessional? But it's not how I normally work and go about my day. So I didn't really do that. But I could have made this look a whole lot more imperfect than it even is. But as I said, it's been gnawing at me since the video on Monday. Just even that little mistake that I made, it can kind of throw off my presentation. But I hope that you understand that my intent on doing these videos and getting out information to you as attorneys and law firm professionals is trying to give you resources so that you can take action and you can market your law firm better online. And you can learn from me. I've spent over 10 years and tens, if not hundreds of thousands of dollars on my training and mentoring with other internet marketing experts throughout the United States and all around the world. And I've learned a lot of information that I want to pass on to you. I hope you'll take it, use it, and do something with it. And if you need some help, don't be afraid to give me a call. I'll put my information here right on this page. You can go to martindeledigital.com. That's our main website. You can sign up for a 15 to 30 minute consultation. We can just talk about what you're trying to do. And I'm not going to charge you for that. It's a free consultation where we can talk about your marketing, see if we can help you. But I would, just tell you, take action, do something. Don't just sit around thinking about, how you need to do something, how you need more clients, how you need more business. You've got to take action and actually do it. So I hope that helps you to understand that you don't have to be perfect to actually make progress with your law firm marketing. And I hope you'll take my challenge and go out and do something today. Thanks so much, and I hope you have a blessed day.